Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Check your PS5 system software and update it now because firmware fixes network bugs. Once done, power cycle the modem and router. Turn them off, wait 30 seconds, then restart to clear transient errors. Next, plug your PS5 into Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi problems. This gives a reliable baseline speed. Make sure to note the observable latency and download numbers on the PS5 network test. Those figures tell you if the issue is local or from your ISP. Once you have baseline numbers, run the PS5 internet connection test and write down ping, download, and upload Mbps, those pinpoint latency and throughput issues. If NAT or multiplayer problems persist, assign a static IP to the PS5 and configure port forwarding for PSN ports to improve connectivity. Make sure to test alternate DNS servers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for faster lookups, and change the MTU to 1473 if you experience packet fragmentation. Then rerun tests to compare results. You now prepare to escalate. Collect timestamps and results from your PS5 tests and present them to the ISP support agent so they can correlate outages or slow segments. Make sure to request a provisioning reset or a modem swap from the ISP if diagnostics show external line errors. If they can't fix it immediately, use a mobile hotspot as a temporary workaround and log behavior for 24 to 48 hours. This log becomes evidence for the ISP and helps pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.